Hi, thank you for joining us today. This video will show you process automation from SharePoint to SAP using docuflow. What do you mean by process automation? Well, docuflow allows a number of SharePoint to SAP automations, including but not limited to automated linking to SAP records, triggering SAP workflows, transferring SharePoint metadata to SAP, and much more. And this can be done all code-free. Custom requirements? No problem. docuflow can be configured to trigger your own custom code inside of SAP as well, giving you the power and flexibility. Albeit this integration works across all SAP transaction and modules, for this demonstration we will use accounts payable. First, let's add a documented Sharepoint. This can be added via any means: email, scanning, API integration, third-party products, and so on. But for this example, we will keep it simple and add it manually. After we upload the document, we will quickly add some metadata using native SharePoint capabilities. As we go through and add some metadata, you will notice that we are leaving some values empty. Well, this data is determined by SAP, and we will show you later in this video how docuflow automatically populates this throughout the life cycle of the invoice. After clicking Save to this invoice inside of SharePoint, let's switch over to the docuflow SAP Gateway to show you this real-time integration. By clicking Refresh, we see that the request has already been sent to SAP. From the administrator and technical perspective, we can see all the information received from SharePoint via docuflow. And for this example, let's just look at the metadata we added via SharePoint and received. From there, your business process can utilize the SharePoint request. In this demonstration, an invoice within the docuflow accounts payable solution has automatically been parked, the invoice from SharePoint linked, and the metadata updated back in SharePoint already. Let's drill down and take a look at the SAP invoice docuflow just created. The attachments can be viewed from the menu seen in the top left of your SAP screen. Viewing of your content can be accessed from the Attachments tab at any time. Simply double-click on the desired attachment and your document will be displayed in your native SharePoint viewer. We can also choose to view the metadata associated with this invoice. As we see, docuflow has updated the SharePoint document with the newly generated SAP information such as the SAP document number, along with other data such as vendor name and invoice status. To show some more docuflow process automation capabilities, docuflow has triggered a SharePoint flow workflow for the approval of this invoice, seen here on your mobile device. Using SharePoint's native flow application, the user is provided with a summary of SAP data and can also view the associated content. Note that this content is not stored on your device, but rather retrieved from SharePoint on demand. In this example, the approver for this invoice will give the OK to pay. They can add any additional comments they wish to the invoice, which will be reflected back in the SAP workflow. And once confirming the approval of this invoice, the workflow will return back into SAP via docuflow, post the invoice, and submit the invoice automatically for SAP payment. Let's quickly recap what we have seen in this demonstration. Using accounts payable as an example, docuflow has triggered an SAP process and provided the metadata based on a SharePoint event, such as adding or updating a document, linked SharePoint content to SAP automatically with no human touch, integrated SAP and SharePoint flow workflows, and extended your SAP business process outside of SAP to users on their mobile device using native Microsoft functionality. Thank you for watching this example of docuflow SharePoint to SAP integration. Please contact us for more information on this or many other docuflow SAP SharePoint integration process automation options available.